Hello guys, welcome to the new video on my channel Luqman TV. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and click that bell icon so you will never miss an update. So in today's video, we will be unboxing and reviewing this 32-inch TCL Android Smart TV. So let's get started. So guys, if we take a closer look at the box of this LCD TV, you can see that this smart TV has AI technology built inside, and then it also supports HDR, means high display resolution, and then it also has a feature of micro dimming, which kinda adjusts the brightness of your screen. And then it also supports Google Play, Netflix, YouTube, and it also has a Bluetooth feature, which means that you can send your favorite movie shows and videos to this TV via Bluetooth. So now let's unbox this TV. So guys, we are done unboxing the TV, but we also got this small bag inside the TV box, and you can see that what's inside this small bag is a TV remote and a book. Let's put it out and check it. So guys, here we get one operation manual book and a 2-year warranty card. So this operation manual book has all the methods of how to set up this TV, how to share files from your cell phone to this TV, how to connect Wi-Fi internet to this TV. All of the methods are mentioned in this operation manual book. And then we also have this 2-year warranty card. So guys, let's turn on this TV and see what kind of feature it has inside. So here guys, you can see the TCL logo. And here guys, you can see that this smart TV has Android operating system installed in it. So the TV is finally on. So guys, if you click this home button, it will take you to the apps section, and here you can see all the apps of this TV. You can see that this TV has Netflix and it supports TCL channel, Prime Video, TV, YouTube, Play Store, and then it also has a media player, which means that if you have movies on your USB disk, you can plug in your USB to this TV and you can watch the movies of your USB drive via this media player on this TV, which is a nice feature. And then it also has a TV guard, and here you can add your favorite apps to this section. Okay. You guys can see that this TV also has a listening search option, which means that you can search your favorite videos without typing. You can just speak out the video you want to search with this option and you will get the videos. YouTube is now finally opened, and here you can see that we have the options for search, home, music, news, gaming, subscriptions, and library. Okay, so here you can search out whatever video you want to search. And here you can see that we have the recommended section of all the popular videos of YouTube. And now we will test out any video. We will just play the video and see what kind of quality it gives. So here we have played this God of War 4 movie. It's actually a game video. So guys, here you can see that the video quality is so high quality. As it was mentioned on the TV box that it also supports the high display resolution quality. So here you can see that the quality is so high. So guys, now let's test out the Netflix app on this TV. So the Netflix app is finally opened, and here you can see that you have a lot of movies and drama TV series you can watch on Netflix. And here guys, if you click on this input option, you will get the options to switch between TV and media player. After that, we have the option for user center, where you can log in your Google or Gmail account. You can see here, you can sign in your Google account. And after the user center option, the third option is settings. If you click on the settings option, you will get all these settings of your TV. You can also sign in your Google account here, and also you can see the internet connected to my cell phone hotspot, and you have a lot of more options here on the settings. And now guys, if you go to the Google Play Store app, here you can see that inside the Google Play app you will get all of these different apps for downloading. You can download whatever app you like to download. For example, if I want to download this app, I will just click on this app, and then you will get the install button to download this app and install it on this smart TV. So I will click OK on install button, and you can see that my download will start downloading. And if you go down here, you can see the app screenshots, means the screenshots of the app that you are trying to download. This is all the screenshot of the app that I am downloading right now. And you also get a app video here, and we have all the screenshots you can see. Take a look at the back side of this TV. You can see that here you will get the jack for headphones, and then you will also get the jack for AV cable, and here you can plug in your HDMI cable, and here the second HDMI cable, and then here you can see that you can plug in the antenna cable here, and then you also you can plug in your DSL cable here, and you can also plug in your USB here, your USB drive. Okay, so this is what you get on the back side of the TV. This was almost everything about this smart TV, and if you want to know the price of this smart TV, then the price of this smart TV is 33,990 Pakistani rupees. For more unboxing videos like this, please subscribe my channel and also press that bell icon so you will never miss an update. And thanks for watching. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe, and if you have any questions you can ask in the comment section below. We will try to reply to you as soon as possible. Love you all guys. Thank you for watching.